Okay guys, so it looks like I've got my compensation for the drones. My music's off, which is pretty unfortunate. Let me just turn that back on, there we go. So the drone rework has launched. Let's see if it's actually good or not. From what I've been hearing, it is not. So here we go, let's equip drones. I do have all the drones that I did have before. As you can see, a few of them have been nerfed in terms of the tier. Oh, you can buy these. Oh no, I was gonna say maybe you could buy these. There's the new drone as well. Okay, so let's actually try and equip some drones. I have no clue what's good or anything on either of these. So I know the beak's good because they buffed the stealth. So I might as well just level that. I don't know, why does it want me to buy this? Oh no, let's just put it there. Yeah, I don't know which drone I should do. What one I should level first. I think I'm going to go and do some research, then go and have a look. Okay, I'm going to just stick with the beak drone, I think, guys, because it is pretty good in terms of the stealth. I am also possibly going to level some other drones as well, like this Iron Hearth here, so let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so the cost does go up. Wow, this is a tier 3 drone as well. Look how much I just spent! Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Oh, why did I do this? Why can I still upgrade it? Apparently it's at maximum level. Well, there we go, we've got a maxed out Iron Hearth now. On the Seraph. I need to put my beak drone somewhere. I think I'm going to put it on here. I've equipped some drones on here, but I think I'm going to change it up. We're going to go and level the beak. So as you can see, this is going to give us a ton of stealth. Every time we get hit by 100,000 damage. So we're going to use this because it's going to actually help quite a lot in game. So it's still going up. No! No! I just spent one of the yellow chips. What? Why does it cost them? I don't believe I've just done that. No! No! I've never spent one of those before. I can't believe I just did that. Well, that was unexpected. I just wasted one of my chips. Look, you used them for enhancing to Mark 3. And I've just wasted one on a drone. Have they really made it? Like, they need to make it easier to get them. I don't believe it. Oh, I don't even know what to level or what any of them do or anything. Why have they done this? I don't even know what to do. Reviver, no. Oh, I don't even want to level anymore. What would actually be convenient? Maybe a whiteout for the Scorpion? How come that beak drone used one of the chips? None of these ones, the purple ones don't use the chips. I can't believe I did that. Should I even waste more of these? Look how much I've spent! How on earth am I meant to level 5 drones with the amount that I got? What? I'm not even going to level it any higher than that because I kind of want to save microchips. What a scam this is. I reckon this is going to turn out to be the biggest scam in the history of the game. Because this is just... I can't believe they've done this. What a scam. So now we have to pay to level up the drones that we already had, that were leveled. What a scam. This is awful. Now we've all got to relearn everything again. Just because they've done this. All they had to do was remove the shield chip from the game. That's all they had to do. I don't believe this. I'll be honest, I'm just annoyed because I've spent one of those Mark 3 tokens. Why have I done that? What is in here? Oh yeah, we're getting gifts as well, aren't we? I'll actually show them probably in this video just to see how much stuff we actually get. What is this? New tasks. Oh, what? There's microchips. What are these? What? You get 5 for capturing 10 beacons. You need like 60 for 1 upgrade. What the heck? What? I just don't even know what to say. They just get worse and worse. Can you even get them in the operations or anything? How are you meant to get them? Do you seriously have to just do the 10 beacons task a million times? Oh, I just can't believe this. It's like a bad dream. Can you get them in here or something? No, you can. Oh, wait, this is finished. I didn't even know I was in a leaderboard and I somehow got 3rd. I don't even pay attention to these. I think that's how I have so many of the orange, yellow chips. Well, I didn't. I just wasted one on a drone. Oh, I can't believe I've done that. I can't believe I wasted one of those chips. Oh, what do I do now? I can't believe I've done that. Why did I do that? I didn't even notice it said that. At least it was on the beak drone, which is going to end up being the most powerful drone, I think. As you can see, it does a lot of different abilities, but the stealth is the one that's the best. Well, I don't really know what to say there. I guess I might as well just do a game. Right, we've dropped in on Canyon Map. We might as well start off with the Kepri because that's one of the only bots that we could manage to level a drone with. Yeah, look, people have drones again. Oh no. Wait. Is it a squad? I think it's a squad. Well, this game's not going to last long. Yeah, it's the Iron Stars clan. These guys are going to steamroll us. Oh, I don't believe this. Really? My first game and I'm already getting bummed by an S-clan. Oh, come on. This is ridiculous. Well, what a great change they've made to the game again. For God's sake. Well, I don't think this guy's part of the squad, so you might as well go and try and get this beacon. I don't... Like, why have they done this? It just makes me, like, think, why do I even still... Oh, go away. Why do I even play this game? Why do I do it every time? I don't even care. I literally don't even care. Oh, I'm so not in the mood for war robots ever again. They're just gonna destroy everyone. I can't be bothered to run beacons. We're not gonna win, are we? This stupid shell is actually gonna die. Go away. That was one of the squad guys as well. Oh, I almost stole the kill. Oh, come on. The best way to just get damage in is to just defend against them, I guess. This guy is in a spear Kepri. He's going to 3-shot me. Oh, well, this is not going to end well. He's going to probably finish me off. Although he's behind that rock. He's going to come out, isn't he? Oh, great. Luckily, I have more range than him. But he could just close in on me and there's not really anything I can do. I'm just going to try and get center. I know I'm going to die straight away, but at least it'll give me more honor. Where's he gone? Where are they all? That guy just randomly went into stealth. How am I not getting the beacon? Why is there an ether on the roof? Oh my gosh. Right, he's starting to actually annoy me. Yeah, that's what I thought. Stupid siren camper. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I thought he was going to shoot at me, but apparently not. Oh no, he is going to, isn't he? What the heck weapon is that? What is that? It hit me through the roof. Is he a hacker? Okay, that's a hacker. Wait, it's not doing damage. What is going on? They added a new weapon. What is that? Well, to be fair, we're actually not getting as destroyed as I thought we would. Come on, steal it with the whatever this ability is called, Quake. Oh, I stole it. No way. What are the chances? Oh my gosh. Well, the drone rework's a scam. There we go. We've come to a conclusion. It's gonna go down as the biggest scam in War Robots history. And yeah, that's all we need to know, I guess. That's the ether. Oh, almost dashed out of my own orbital strike. Let's go. Oh, can this game just end? Oh my, what did I do? Who even is that? Oh, they're all in Titans. Oh, for God's sake, he's hitting me with his hacking weapon again. What even is that? It's a cyclone! How, what? Since when have they changed the cyclone so it looks like that? What? What is the rate? What is going on with this game? Now I'm blinded, I can't do anything. Whoa, thank God that's over. Well, any faith that was restored in me over the no drones period for this game has gone out the window. Do I even bother to see how we did? We got second on the team. Yeah, it was a trio. Here are the honor points. We did absolutely awful there. Well, I'm uninstalling the game. Okay, so apparently we've skipped day 1 of the event, and it's day 2 now, so... Okay, there's not even a day 1. Perfect. Let's see what we get. It's going to be nothing, because I don't think this event's going to be that good. No, it's just going to be components. I'll probably have released my video on this actual event before you guys see this footage, so... Things might be in the wrong order, I'm not sure. Okay, frozen scorn components that I already have. Right, day 3 of drones. We have more tokens for the event. Let's open them up and see what we get quickly. I doubt it'll actually be anything. We've got one of these to open as well, so we might as well. Oh, this is going to be such a bad event again, isn't it? I'm still so mad about the drones. This is like 2 days later. I think. And I still can't believe it. What they've done. This is literally... How is this even legal? They've basically taken stuff that people have paid for. And just deleted it. And made them have to pay for it again. That's literally like... It's illegal. I can't believe they've like got away with doing this. More mothership components and one of these, which I'll just leave and open in my opening video. Right, day 4 of drones, more coins, which I will probably not get anything with. So, oh, the coins from the creator program have arrived. Okay, well that's pretty good. I guess that means I can do my opening videos now, which are probably already out. Right, what have we got? Jaw components. And then we have one of these as well. These chests have a sick animation, to be fair. This is just going to be more components. Yep. More Mars components. Okay, there we go. Right, we're on to day 5. Simple reward, just one of each currency, so we can open one of these. I'm saving up my coins until I can do open 10 of each, because I can't be bothered opening the singles because of how boring it is. But I'm only doing this to show you guys what I get from the rewards. It's all going to be components, so I don't know why I'm doing this. But yeah, I am, so... This is my favourite animation, definitely. This will probably be angler components. Oh, we actually got the nether, no way. There we go. And now we have this too, which is just going to be frozen skull and components. Okay, so day 6 we have an upgrade token. Well, at least that's one back that I've lost. Another thing that happens, the creator program has actually given us some more drones, which still doesn't make it okay, the scandal that's literally gone on. But now we have, like, so I'm going to show, we got the barrel drone, a couple more beak drones as well, so I have level drones. Still, this doesn't help the millions of players who got scammed, but there you go. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, even though I hated it. The drones have definitely been a scam. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.